Hi everybody, this is a quick video just to show you how to take the SVG to make a sliding tray box with a sleeve which also has an 18 space insert inside it and is also sized to take a plastic chocolate box tray with 18 spaces. So there it is. I've just brought it onto my canvas from my library. The first thing we need to do is convert all the lines that need converting to scores, and as usual with my SVG, all those lines live in the first group in the layers panel. You can tell it's where the score lines are, where the lines that need converting to scores are, because there's no colour in that group. If I just open and close that group, you can see exactly where it is. There are just lines in there. So to select the whole group, you just click on the name of it, and that's the second line down in your layers panel. And with that selected, go over to your operations menu, click on basic cut and go down to score, and you can see that all those lines have been converted now. And while they're all still selected, go back to your layers panel and click on ungroup, or wherever ungroup is in the version of Design Space that you're using. The next step is to select all the coloured cut pieces. They're in the group below. Again, you can see it's a group because it has this little downward pointing arrow at the left hand side of it. Again, just click on the name of the group, and all you need to do here is ungroup it. And then, as always with a multi-part SVG which has score lines, you need to select everything and ungroup it a third time. So you can use select all in the top menu here, or you can do Control A on your keyboard, or you can just click right at the top of your layers panel, and that selects absolutely everything on screen, and do that third ungroup. Really important, those three ungroups, and ideally in that order to stop things jumping around in your layers panel. It can be fixed, but it's just some work that you can avoid if you do it in that order. The next thing you need to do is attach the score lines to the pieces that they relate to, and the quickest way to do that, I think, is to click on screen somewhere near one piece, drag a box to enclose just that piece and its score lines, and then go back over to your layers panel, and at the bottom click attach or find attach wherever it is in the version of Design Space that you're using. So that is the lower layers of the inside divider, and this is the little bar that goes across. So we'll attach that as well, and then you need 5 of those. These slot into these holes here on the divider, so we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. I'm just using Control D on the keyboard there. The duplicate is up here. So again, you need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This piece here is the sleeve into which the tray slides. Attach that. And then, even though these probably will cut together, depending on how you make it, I'm still going to attach those separately. Just, it's a good habit to get into. Right, so if we click make it, we can see what we get. So there we can see, depending on how you're making it, if you're making your sleeve and your tray out of the same colour, and then you're making the dividers out of another colour, you can see that you get the dividers on one sheet of 12 by 12. You get the sleeve from a sheet of 12 by 12, but the actual tray is too long. You do need the long mat and at least one sheet of A3 for this project. Okay, I hope that helps. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to come back to me. You can contact me on Etsy or Facebook. I'm always happy to help. Thanks a lot. Bye.